Hey everyone, and welcome to day 2 of our 7-day core challenge. You might be feeling a little bit sore from yesterday, especially if these movements are new for you or you did the video more than once. So awesome job. We're going to still utilize the core, but I invite you to learn these new exercises to make yourself stronger. This time we're going to start on our backs. So go ahead and lay down on your back for me, please, and then bring your knees into your chest. Good. On your next exhale, we're going to plant our feet on the ground. From here, I want you to very carefully place your palms next to you. Pull your shoulder blades down your spine and then exhale, crunch up. So we learned each time to tuck the pelvis and to push the low back down. Now, you should be able to, at some points, hold that down on your own, okay? Let's do 4. Here's your warm-up. 3. Support your head if your neck hurts at any time. 2. 1 more, bring it down. Good. We're going to bring those legs up again, reverse table. We're going to place our hands down. Now your goal is to pull your tailbone down again. You're going to tap your heels and lift. Good. Tap your heels and lift. So again, you have all the different layers to your stomach. You have your rectus abdominis, you have your transverse abdominis, you have your multifidus, you have your obliques, all these different muscles that are working, your intercostals, and they're stabilizing in such different ways. So we want to try not to utilize the hip flexors. They're going to get involved here, but the goal is not to use them as much, okay? Last 4, 3, and you don't have to know your muscles in order to do core work. 1 more. Good. Exhale, keep the knees here. Now we're going to do a combo move. So you're going to crunch up, crunch down, tap the heels, bring it up. Crunch, lower, tap, lift. Good. Crunch, lower, tap, lift, crunch, lower, tap, lift. Last 4, lower, tap. Give me 3 more. Up, lower, tap. 2 more. Crunch, lower, tap. Last 1. Crunch, lower, tap. Knees at 90. Good. Now pick up the tailbone and put it down. So this range of motion is really hard, all right, if your abdominal muscles are not trained for it. If this is easy, extend your legs straight up, yes, and then work from there. So you should be noticing how it gets a little harder. The core has to work just a bit more. And again, we're not just like crunching. I'm not just asking you to hold plank for a minute or longer. We're finding different ways to work our core. You got 3. Hands can be here, they can be behind your head, your choice. 2 and 1. Good. Now, knees are bent if you have issues with your back. Legs are straight if you feel good. Hands next to you. Exhale, circle down and around for 1 and come back up. Looks like this if your knees are bent. Circle down and around for 2, come back up. Good. Reach up, circle down and around for 3, come back up. Good. Circle down and around for 4. Yes. Come back up. Down and around for 5. Return your feet to the sky. Down and around for 6. And we have to do the reverse. So knees are bent. Looks like this. Down and around 1. Legs are straight. Try not to take a break, guys. We're running through this whole thing and it's less than 10 minutes, okay? 3. Make that circle. Last 3 here. 1, halfway, come on. 2, feel the work. The back's gonna pop a little and that's okay. 1 more and bring it up. Whew, good job, guys. Plant those feet back on the ground. Exhale, sit all the way up. Good. Now I want you to extend your legs straight out in front of you for me. Legs long. You're gonna extend your arms out. Some call this a Pilates roll up. It kind of depends. You're going to pull your shoulders back and together. We're going to lower down slowly. Arms are going to come overhead. Exhale, come up. Reach if you want, and then slowly roll. Good. So the goal here is that you can sit straight up with control, slow, not utilizing momentum. That's really important, all right? You have 4. Good. You might move a little bit on your mat. You have 3. Good. You have 2. Let's do this. Nice. And then you have 1 more. reach. Yes. Good. Now you're up. Bend your knees, plant your feet. Option 1, option 2, we pick them up like we did before. Fist touch, exhale, twist, twist, twist. Add speed. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, halfway. 8, 7, 6, feet down if your back hurts. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job, guys. Place your hands behind you for support to start. You're gonna pull your knees to your chest. Option 1, you're gonna tap just a little bit, spine's barely gonna go back. Come back in. Option 2, tap your forearms, straighten your legs, come back in. All right, let's go out and 1, out and 2. Can we do 5? Out and 3, out and 4, and then out and 5. Nice job. Let's flip over to those hands and knees for a moment. And then we're gonna come to high plank, top of a push-up. So here we can start some rotation. So you're gonna pull your knee across and tap the elbow and step back. Pull your knee across, tap the elbow, step back. Good. Drop your knees if you need to, otherwise we twist and we twist. We've got 8, 7, 6, 5, you got this. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Put your knees down for me. Lower your forearms. Good. Forearms are out in front of you, so your shoulders are stacked, and then you're gonna exhale, extend your legs back for forearm plank. Engage your stomach muscles here, find your breath. We're gonna do the same exact thing, but same knee, same elbow. So right to right, left to left. Good. Look over that shoulder if you can. Find that pinch in your obliques. Let's do this. Good. 4 more each side. That's 4 and 4. That's 3 and 3. And then we have 2 and 2. We have 1 more. 1 and 1. Good. Drop the stomach. Lay flat. You're going to take your palms underneath of your forehead. You're gonna glue your forehead to your palms. You're gonna press down through the tops of the feet. You're gonna bring your torso up and down, up and down. Still a core exercises because what it's doing is it's utilizing your back. So as you come up and down, you should feel how the front and the back body have to be just as strong together. Okay, don't let those feet lift. Use your breath. Let's do 4, 3, come on guys, 2, 1, yes, come on up and hold it there. Can you come higher? Can you reach those arms wide? 3, 2, hands by your side, come up through a small cobra, and then bring those knees forward for child's pose. Awesome job. That's your less than 10 minutes, day 2 of my core challenge. If you have any questions about the exercises, comment below, but you guys did a great job, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Thanks, guys.